I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress.
Hi, welcome to My Mind's Eye. We're going to go through and show you some of our booth here at the Mixed Media event. So our first collection is Gal Meets Glam. It's super feminine, really flirty and fun. It has a lot of great icons. I especially love the lip paper and the gorgeous florals from this line. It works really well with planner pages, but also with scrapbooking and card making. It'd be perfect for celebrating your girlfriends. We have two new Christmas lines debuting here, and one is a nice farmhouse traditional feel called Winterberry. It has nice, rich, dark plaids and classic icons. And then we also, for those of you who love bright colors, have Jingle All the Way, which is watercolored, bright, friendly, fun, but still with some of those classic Christmas elements. Well Hello is super bright, really fun, cheerful, perfect for summer going into fall. It has nice bold colors. You can see it has really fun images like the llamas, the birds, cactus, hot air balloons. So you're going to find a little bit of fun, cheerful elements in every single item from this collection.